Welcome to MyRVIA, a portal to your personal information with the RV Industry Association's new system. MyRVIA will allow you to customize your experience by easily interacting with us online, registering for events, updating affiliated companies, and viewing members-only content on the new website. To get started, you will need to create an account or update your existing credentials. Your login and password from the old RVIA website will no longer be valid. If you've ever done business with us in the past, such as registering for an event, signing up for a newsletter, attending a TNT session, purchasing a handbook, or renewing your membership, and we have your current email address, you can get started by simply resetting your password. Navigate to MyRVIA from the link on the new rvia.org website, where you will be prompted to log in. Click the link on the bottom left corner under the Login button that says Forgot Your Password. On the next screen, enter your email address and click Reset Your Password. You should receive an email within 5 minutes with instructions to reset your password. But if you don't, be sure to check your junk mail folder. If you are completely new to our system, you will need to create an account. From the Login screen, click the link on the bottom left corner under the Login button that says Don't Have an Account. From here, follow the steps to set up your account credentials. Fill in all of the applicable information, including your company email, and create a password. Click the blue Create Account button on the bottom right of the screen, and you will be in the system. Once logged in, you will be able to view your information, manage your company affiliations, manage your event registrations, view your order history, and make purchases. All of your membership benefits flow down from your company, so it's important that your affiliated companies are up to date. You can manage your affiliations from your personal snapshot. Just click the My Affiliations button, type in the name of your parent company, and search. From the list of companies, find the correct one and select Add Affiliation. If your duties include ordering seals or managing your company's roster, contact our membership manager for additional permissions. The navigation along the top allows you to go to the store, navigate back to your personal snapshot, check out, and manage stored payment methods like credit cards and bank accounts. Your login will also allow you to access the members-only areas on the RV Industry Association's new website. As you navigate the site, you will notice members-only areas by the lock icon. You will be prompted to log into the site with your new credentials to access this content, which includes standards information, directories, regulatory information, and more. For more information or for further assistance, contact Member Services at rvia.org.